Hello children, how are you all? Are you all fine? Good. Children, today we are going to write small letters A to Z. So now let's begin. So first we will start with the date. So today's date is 17th July. So you will write 17.7.20. Now below the date you will write C.W. That is class work, and on the first line you will write the heading. So the heading is small a dash small z. You have to keep some distance and then write the heading in the middle. Now on the next line we'll start with the letters. Now the first letter is A. Now between two blue lines you will start writing curve, go up, come down. So this is small a. Now you have to keep two fingers and next to it you will write the next letter, that is B. Standing line, go up and take a reverse curve. Now the next letter is C. Again two finger gap and then C. Again you will keep two fingers and write letter D. For writing letter D, first you will write C. Go up and then come down straight. That is D. A, B, C, D. Now the next letter is E. So below A you will write E. So between two blue lines you will write a small slipping line. Go up and take a curve. E, small e. Now after E, F. So right below the letter B you will write here F. Start from the top, take a curve, come down and a small slipping line. Letter F. Now after F, G. Now children, you have to see that G you have to start from the blue line, from the first blue line. So you will write C, go up, come down and then you have to touch the bottom red line. So this is letter G, and after G the next letter is H. So for H, standing line first and then go up and bumpety. H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now the next letter is I. So below E you will write letter I, a small standing line and a dot. I. Now J. Now again J you have to touch to the bottom red line, so that you will start from the first blue line. So come down and go up a bit and a small dot. So it's small j. Now for small k, standing line and from the center one kick up, one kick down. It's small k. After K, L. Now the next letter is M. So here below letter I you will write M between two blue lines. Standing line and then bumpety, bumpety. This is called bumpety pattern. So it's M. Now after M, N. So right below J you will write N. Standing line and a single bumpety. N. Now after N, O. Between two blue lines. O. And then below L you will write P. Again for letter P you have to touch the bottom red line. So start from the first blue line, come down standing line and then from here reverse C, letter P. Now after P, Q. So below M you will write Q. Again here you have to touch it to the bottom red line. So you will start from the first blue line. C, go up, come down, and a small slant line towards right. Now we'll write R. So after Q, R. Now here you will write small standing line and go up, take a small curve. R. Now small s. This you have to fit in between two blue lines. So small curve and a reverse curve. Small s. Now the next letter is T. So for T you will start from the top red line. Come down and go up a bit to the right and a small slipping line. Letter T. Now letter U. So this is Lampati pattern for U. Lampati and then come down straight. U. Now after U, V. Small V. Slant line come down, slant line go up. V. Same for letter W. Slant line come down, go up, come down, go up. W. Now the next is X. So reverse C and again C by touching the reverse C. X. Now the next is Y. Small slant line and another slant line by touching the bottom red line and go up a bit. You have to go up a bit. You have to touch the red line and go up a bit. Letter Y. And the last letter is Z. Small slipping line, slant line and again small slipping line. Letter Z. So now children, this we have written from A to Z on left hand side. Now on the right hand side you will write H dot W dot, that is homework. Here you will write the date and again here you will write heading. In the center A dash Z, and on this page you will write small letters A to Z. Okay, very good.